Good day, class 6. Let us begin our today's English online class. So here we are together to do an application. Today our topic is how to write an application. Here we are heading. Let's go through it first. You are Soumya or Swamil. It means the names are mentioning here. If a girl is writing, she will use the name Soumya. If the boy is there, he will use the name Swamil. Of class 6th A, your science teacher has fined you for not taking a क्लास टेस्ट. आपकी साइंस के टीचर ने फाइन किया है बिकॉज आपने क्लास टेस्ट नहीं दिया था. राइट एन एप्लीकेशन टू द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ योर स्कूल रिक्वेस्टिंग हिम और हर टू रिमिट योर फाइन. आपने अपने प्रिंसिपल सर को आपने एप्लीकेशन लिखना है, रिक्वेस्ट करनी है कि फ़ाइन को माफ़ कर दिया जाए. While starting the application, you will write the date. You will mention the current date, then the name whom you are addressing. You are writing an application to the principal, so you will write the principal. T will be capital and P will also be capital. Then mention the name of the school, then the name of the city. If the name of the school is given to you in the heading and the name of the city is given, then you will go with that. But if no mentioning is there, you are free to write your own school name and city name. Then comes the turn of subject. Now here you are writing application for remission of fine because you are requesting your principal to remit your fine. So you will write subject application for remission of fine. Then comes the turn of salutation, means respected sir. Now body of the application. I am a student of class 6th A in your school. मैं आपके स्कूल में क्लास 6th का स्टूडेंट हूँ. Note it that you are mentioning the section in capitals and it is in single inverted commas. Our science teacher, Mr. Sahil Ghosh, has fined me ₹100 for not taking a class test last Monday. And last Monday, which date was there? It will be mentioned here, i.e. on 10th July, the year will come here. Now you will say that हमारे science teacher, now name of the subject is mentioned here, science teacher, so you will also mention it here, but name of the science teacher is not mentioned, so you can write any name. Here it is mentioned Mr. Sahil Ghosh has fined me ₹100. उन्होंने मुझे 100 रुपये फ़ाइन किया है. What is the reason? रीज़न है for not taking a class test. मैंने क्लास टेस्ट नहीं दिया था. कब हुआ था, किस दिन क्लास टेस्ट? मंडे को. एंड डेट क्या थी? ऑन 10th July 2000 एंड द ईयर विल कम. देन सर कॉमा I could not take the test. Now you are giving the reasoning why you couldn't perform in the test. Sir, I could not take the test as I was absent on that day. सर मैं टेस्ट नहीं दे सका था क्योंकि मैं उस दिन एब्सेंट था. एक्चुअली माई ग्रैंड फादर वॉज एडमिटेड इन अ हॉस्पिटल. द रीज़न फॉर बीइंग एब्सेंट, नाउ यू आर डिस्क्राइबिंग इट, कि मेरे जो दादाजी हैं वो हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट थे एंड आई हैड टू अटेंड टू हिम, और मुझे उन्हें अटेंड करना था देयर. अब एज बीइंग अ बॉय यू आर अलॉन्ग विद योर फैमिली in the hospital to take care of your grandfather. Now you are requested to remit my fine this time. आपसे मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि इस बार मेरा फ़ाइन माफ़ कर दीजिए, रिमिट कर दीजिए. आई प्रॉमिस दैट आई विल बी मोर सीरियस इन फ्यूचर. मैं आपसे प्रॉमिस करता हूँ कि मैं भविष्य में और ज़्यादा सिंसियर, एज अ सिंसियर स्टूडेंट के लिए की तरह से वर्क करूँगा, मीन्स ज़्यादा सीरियस रहूँगा. नेक्स्ट, आई विल बी थैंकफुल टू यू. अब आप उनको थैंक्स करेंगे सर को कि मैं आपका आभारी रहूँगा. देन इट विल कम योर्स फेथफुली. हियर कम्स द वर्ड फेथफुली. Then you will write your name, you will mention your class, and you will mention your section as well. Is it okay? As I have told you that boys will go with the name Swamil and girls will go with the name Soumya, because the names are mentioned here. I hope class that you have enjoyed this application and you have come to know the format to write the application as well. Thank you class. Keep on trying. Good.